Replacing a PCIe card on the riser card. Determine where the PCIe card to be removed is positioned in the server chassis. Required tools: ESD gloves or wrist strap, ESD bags, and flathead screwdriver. Power off the server. The power indicator should now be off. Remove the server. Remove the chassis cover. Remove the riser card tray. Remove the PCIe card. Push the PCIe card latch horizontally to the left to release it, and push the plastic latch outwards. Release the PCIe card latch. Push the plastic latch outwards. Remove the PCIe card. Place it into an ESD bag. Install a PCIe card. Take a spare PCIe card out of the ESD bag. Insert it into the PCIe slot. Fasten the PCIe card latch. Install the riser card tray. Install the chassis cover. Install the server.